Hey guys, so another example of a tool that you can use to generate more income and more revenue is called Medium. So if you've never heard about Medium, it is this great application where writers or anyone who wants to write about something, you can post it and publish it, and then other people read it, and you generate money by those people reading your articles. It is as simple as that, right? So the beauty of Medium and the reason why people really like it is because unlike a lot of the things that are out there in the internet available for you to read, it is not, I guess, funded by advertising. So there are no ads in Medium. And the reason why there are no ads is because people actually pay a monthly subscription to be able to read in Medium. Now, you don't actually have to pay to read Medium. Like there are free articles available on Medium, which is, when you create an article and you write something on Medium, you can choose to either put it under a paid option or a free option. So there are a lot of people who just enjoy writing and like writing or want to grow their audience, and they write, articles for free. And so they, just leave it for free and anyone can read it. But there's also people that want to make money from their writing. So basically they turn on the flick in Medium, which allows you very easily to turn it on and put it behind a paywall, which means only people who are paying the monthly subscription Medium fee can actually read your article. Now, there are thousands of people, probably millions. I don't have the, I guess, exact user data from amount of millions of users that Medium has, but I'm sure it's in the millions of people that are actually paying for their subscription. Now, the way in which Medium pays you is depending on the, I guess, time that people spend reading your articles and whether they clap or applaud your articles and stuff like that, then you get paid. And there's a ton of information about that in Medium and how it works, etc. And I'm not gonna go through all of that right now in detail because the purpose of this, course is just to show you the different options that are out there so you can explore for yourself and read more about them in detail and do your research and due diligence. But what I want to do now is open your eyes that there is an industry, which in this case, we're talking about writing. And if you like and enjoy writing, then this is one of the ways in which you can create money by leveraging on your talent of writing, okay? And you can write about anything. It can be a short story, it can be a novel, a long story, it can be just like a blog post, it can be about a personal thing that you experience, about the news or your views, an opinion letter, whatever it is that you want to write about, you can write it here on Medium, and it's super easy to use, free to sign up, free to create your account, free to start writing on Medium. You don't have to pay any monthly fees or anything like that, unless you choose to, of course, but you don't have to. And as a writer, you can use it for free and still charge for your articles, which is great. So if you want to start your journey on making money with Medium, just go to medium.com, like you're seeing here on screen, medium.com. And then once you're there, at the top right-hand side corner, you see here's a little thing in the menu which says write. So just tap on that, click on that, and then it'll take you to the page of how to become, a writer in Medium. And it says here, join the Medium Partner Program. So basically you just click on join the Medium Partner Program and it'll take you to the page to set up your account and start getting paid for your work. But here is a summary of how it works. As you can see here on screen, write something good, put your story to work, get recommended to readers, earn money for your work, get paid monthly, expand your audience. So like I said, Medium allows you to actually monetize your writing, which is pretty cool. Similar to what we saw with Anchor, or what we saw with Udemy. So Anchor leverages on your voice, on your knowledge sharing, on your idea sharing, on your conversation sharing via audio to generate revenue for you. Udemy leverages on your know-how, knowledge, and experience and subject matter expertise in a particular field to generate money for you via online courses. And Medium does the same, but with your writing skills. So if you like to write or you enjoy writing, then this is one of the things you should pursue to make more money in the modern world. Like with all of the other things that we've been seeing, you just leverage on the power of technology and your talent to generate money, and there is no upfront investment required. All you need is a computer, a laptop, a tablet, your smartphone, and your fingers to write something, and you just start typing and writing away, and then that will start over time generating more money for you. Tons of examples of people generating money with Medium. And Medium actually, I guess, a bit different to some of the other platforms. They are kind of relatively open with how much money people are making. And you'll get a monthly, I guess, summary from Medium stating how much people made. Not everyone, but they'll share with you like the top earning author, and they won't give out the name, but they'll just say the top earning author of the month of, let's say, May or whatever, earned, let's say, for example, $20,000 or $30,000 or whatever it is. You'll get an email from Medium sharing those statistics every month. They'll also share which article was the one that made most money, and they'll tell you how much money that article made and stuff like that. So I think I don't, if I recall correctly, they don't specifically tell you which was the, I guess, specific article that made that amount of money, because that would be providing too much detailed identifiable information. But they do tell you the art, without providing the name of the article. They just say the article that made the most money this month made blah. So you know roughly how much money you can make, because you know how much money is the top author making and how much money is the top article making. And they also tell you how many authors or a percentage of authors that are making more than, I think it's $100 a month or something like that. So like anything else, obviously not everyone is making tens of thousands of dollars, but there are people making tens of thousands of dollars, and that's the point that I'm trying to make here. And there are people who might not be making tens of thousands, but they might be making, $500 or 1,000 or 2,000. And hey, I don't know about you, but I don't mind getting $500 here and there, or 1,000 or a couple of thousand. So like I said, I've used Medium. I have a Medium account. It's one of the many ways in which you can generate revenue, and I'll let you explore that on your own. When you get a bit of time to go to the Medium website. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.